Tonight, the FDA has banned the use of red dye number 3 in foods, citing concerns for human consumption.
And this comes after it was found to have caused cancer in male rats during testing. Fox 56's Alicia Hercules live tonight with more on what this ban means for public health. Alicia.
Aaron and Ann, red dye number 3 can be found in many popular food items like candies, icings, and even some vegan meats. Red dye number 3 is a synthetic chemical that is added to food or pills to give it a bright red color.
The foods that have the bright red colors, so like maraschino cherries, probably sugared breakfasts that you shouldn't be eating anyway, all sorts of ultra-processed foods that have bright colors that are being marketed to appeal to children.
Some research has found that consuming synthetic food dyes like red dye number 3 could lead to behavioral issues like hyperactivity in some children. The FDA banned red dye number 3 in cosmetics like lipsticks and drugs applied to the skin in 1990 after industry-funded research found that it led to thyroid cancer in rats. Over the years, some food and drug manufacturers have slowly begun to phase out the dye, but it's still actively being used in many brightly colored foods. The recent ban has been applauded by industry professionals who believed this dye and others used in foods have harmful long-term effects.
It's a good move. I think it's a good decision. I don't think that it's critical for in the food supply to keep it because food dyes, for the most part, they're used for aesthetic purposes.
Drug manufacturers who use red dye number 3 have until January 18th, 2028 to reformulate their products. Food manufacturers have until January 15th, 2027. Olivia Bryden, a Wyoming resident, says that although she is thankful that the dye has been banned, she's now fearful of the long-term effects associated with consuming the dye.
Like learning about all the potential risks that it poses to my health and then everybody else's health, it's just really scary knowing that like I could have consumed that.
To see if red dye number 3 is in some of your products, you can check on the back on the ingredients list, typically located on the back of most drug and food products. Reporting live in the control room, I'm Alicia Hercules with Fox 56 News, First at 10.